How's it going, guys? ABC Pwned here, and I'm here with a curse tutorial for you guys. This video will be kind of short. It's just going to show you guys how you could find different curses in the game. So first of all, if you head over to Hollowed Marshland on your map, and then you come over here, there's two docks. The dock over there where you spawn your ship, and then just across it here, I'll just show you guys. Let's say if you're right here at the Dockmaster, you just take a little turn right here. You could go in here, and you could find a shop in this little house right here, where you could get about 5 different curses, I believe. You could get electricity, shadow, sunbeam, cursed, and flames. So you could buy those here for about 5k each. If you need to know where it is on the map, it's kind of right here if you see the little dot where I am. And then for other curses that you could get legendary curses off of all 3 dungeons. I think there might be 4, I'm not sure, but I know there's let's see here. There is the bog skeleton one, which is this one. There is the Nightfall skeleton one, which is this one, and then there's also a ash one, which is like a magma one, which is like the red one, which comes from the ash. But basically they all come from the dungeons. There might be an ice one. I don't know if there is. There probably is. Yeah, there probably is. And then you could also get a curse off of the Kraken, which is called like the Kraken or something curse, and then you could get a curse off of the Ghost Fleet. But yeah, I think that's about it for curses that you can acquire in the game at the moment, other than spending Robux. So I'm just giving you guys this really small tutorial for you new players that wanted a curse but didn't know where to get it. So once again, it's ABC Pwned, and I'll see you guys later.